you know, till later. I'm listening for alerts now because I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this storm out west, and it looks like it's about to turn severe because I was working this. No, I'm looking at it. It's a backwards boat. It looks like a book echo. What the heck is that? Dust? No. That looks severe to me. We have a wall cloud.
Get her out the box.
We have a wall cloud, and I see where a tornado could form. I don't know if we're getting a tornado. Yeah, that's a wall cloud. I can see how it's separate from everything else. That looks like a wall cloud. It's a backwards bow. So I think the back of this storm has more dust. That looks like a wall. That looks like a bow. That looks like a wall cloud. Oh my gosh, it's going right on top of us. Oh, the wind's gonna immediately pick up below this, that's for sure. Yeah, we're gonna lose it. We're gonna lose power.
Oh, great. Look at I gotta go out.
We're gonna lose power. Tornado's gonna go. I think that's a tornado. That looks like a tornado. Oh God, I want to see him. Yeah. Oh, it's roaring. Oh, it's roaring. I'm gonna hear an alert issued in a minute here. Come on, Greg. Oh. I think that was a damn tornado that went over us. That looked like one. You gotta wait. You gotta wait now. We're gonna lose power. Oh, it's pretty bad. It's about to get warm. That's 60. Whoa. Holy shit. At least over here. Whoa! Holy crap! We lost total. That's good. Just hail. We just lost power. just lost power. Yeah. We just lost power. It's coming back on and then it's going to shut back off again. Turn the air conditioner off. Yeah, we are. They're going to talk an energy company. Power just shut back off again. The power is going to go back out again. Oh! The other side of the field's out. I don't know if that other side has power or not. We just had flicker. Look at this. Holy crap. Lights are flickering. Over here. Yo. It is not over. No, it's not. The wind just went still. That means it's bad. It just went still. Uh-oh. Yo. Do not turn it back on. There's too much demand on the grid. Do not do that. Mom, who knows when you're going to knock the whole neighborhood out. You can knock the whole neighborhood out. You can knock the neighborhood out doing this. You know that. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. We just had a very strong storm. We lost power briefly. No way, I'm not doing that. It's too dangerous. It is too dangerous. Oh, it is. You need to shut up. It's too... Oh my gosh. That's more than what they said it would be. It's not. That was dangerous. That was pretty powerful. Darn, you stupid. Whoa. We almost lost power. See, you can see the incompetence of our energy company too. They didn't even issue a severe thunderstorm warning on this, and it still did that. This should have been severe warned, but it wasn't. And only then they're going to issue it after it's already gone. That was pretty powerful. Still in the storm right now. Don't let your guard down. There's another round tonight.
The actual what? Right now.
Don't let your guard down. There's another round coming tonight. I don't see any hail. There's a bunch of leaves everywhere, so maybe it did fall. So maybe the hail did fall. Oh, it ripped the gazebo curtain open. I literally... We just flickered not too long ago. That had to be near 60. No doubt. Or it's our line, or it's that the power lines can't handle it. Oh, the other side's back on now. Oh, the light come on. And, yeah. Our side was off longer. Here comes the rain. Yeah. Wow. Look what I did to the garbage can over there. It just blew that. Just blew that over. Yeah, the fire engine and stuff, so obviously something caught fire. me open the windows so, you know, you can hear them. The storm was about 15 minutes. Let me open the window over here. Hear that? Something definitely happened. It's definitely nearby. Oh, it's cool out too. This was definitely nearby. What was this at? Wow. That had to be very intense, that was for sure. It ripped that gazebo open. Oh. Did that branch fall over? I'm not sure if it did, but I'm not sure if that fell over or not. But there's leaves all over the ground too. You see leaves everywhere. There's a few leaves on the ground. Wow. This is... Wow. It's pretty intense. That was for sure. Not sure if there's any damage. Pretty sure there was some damage because I heard a fire engine and an ambulance. Wow. Like, we got super lucky with the power too. Like, it flickered, shut off for like a few seconds and came back on again. You can see the controller on the spot blinking. We have power because that's how I know I have power. But that's crazy. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna end this and I'll see you again next time.